Over 70% of men and 50% of women will experience thinning hair and hair loss in their lifetime. Biotin Xtreme Hair Care was developed with this in mind by a husband and wife team with over 30 years of experience in treating hair loss and thinning hair in their award-winning salon, Cuts Inc. John shared, "Before I got on the BXT program, my hair was thin and brittle, and it seemed more and more was left in the shower. BXT reversed all of my issues, and now my barber can't believe my hair." Stephanie shared, "This makes my hair look and feel amazing. Using this daily saved me from the large amount of hair loss that many women experience post-pregnancy, so I can't recommend it enough." Tammy shared, "I can see a drastic impact. In a week, my hair seems fuller. Loving this product. Great product with a great refreshing smell." You can learn more right on this page.